early. Tell the DJI what you wanna do. What you wanna...
Let's go! Let's go!
Kai!
Ask mo muna si Papa kung hanggang kailan ang pasok niya. Niluto. Next week na kayo pumunta doon. So, yung buong Holy Week.
Buong Holy Week na kasi may school pa din si Kai.
Do you want to be locked in there?
Session na ba siya?
Matatapos na ba? Oo, maganda naman yung epekto sa kanya. So, go.
What's that?
Tapos, ikaw na siya, alas 8, alas 9, alas 10, tapos iyak siya ng iyak. Umiyak siya. Tiranda na lang daw siya. Seryo na nakatulog. Ilan pasto kami eh. Sige ka umakyat.
Ay, yung bagong ligo siya.
Alas 10 na nga ata yan eh. Nantok na talaga siya.
Lucio, do you want to sama? Sabihan mo kay, magsabi ka kay Tita Roxanne.
What?
Magpapaalam ka muna kay Papa.
Yeah, you have to ask Papa first and then he has to say yes.
Saan ka sasama? Where are you going?
Nice place. Nice place.
Anong, Lucio,
Anong-
anong, what are you gonna ride? Are we gonna ride the car?
Bicycle.
What?
Kai, nakatalikod ka sa electric fan. Kai, nakatalikod ka.
Lucio, anong susuotin mo when you go to Kai's place?
The Pokemon.
Who's that? Pokemon! What is? Hey, Joe, that's us. Hey, that's a dog. Who's that? Pokemon! Hey, guys!
Wait lang, uwi na kami ni Kuya Kai. Yeah, we're gonna go home na. Yeah?
We do.
Yeah. Is it okay?
Yeah.
What do you wanna say to me?